Guys, in this video I will show you how to export and save your text messages from your Android mobile device as a PDF. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Player App Store, search for SMS Backup and Restore, click on SMS Backup and Restore and download and install it. Once that is done, click on Open, wait for it to load. And now you need to set a backup. So click on set a backup. And for this demonstration, we only want to keep the messages. So I'm going to toggle off the call logs and then click on next. And from this page here, it says, where would you like to store your messages? Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, your phone. I might do, it's totally up to you, but for this demonstration, I'm going to do my phone. And then I'm going to have it done in an internal app folder. Click on OK. Then I'm going to click on next. Are you sure you only want to create a local backup only? You may lose the backup files if your phone gets lost or damaged. So I'm going to click on yes. And you can schedule recurring backups. I'm going to turn this off. I don't need to. And then I'm going to click on backup now. And as you can see here, it says backup in progress, backing up messages. It's a pretty quick turnaround, takes probably less than a minute to complete, I'd imagine. Alright, it's taken probably almost about 2.5 minutes for this to back up. Alright, once it's completed, click on View Details. And then it will send you to where it's been saved. So in my situation, it's saved to my phone. So I'm going to click on this .xml file. And now it's analyzing the file, and then from here, this is where all your messages will be saved, so you can read at a later date. Alright guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys got value out of it. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.